Hello, YouTube. It's Raul Boomin, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the dash speakers inside your 2014 to 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Now, this is for the standard Cherokee, not the Grand Cherokee. We're going to go from this to this. Follow along as I demonstrate and walk you through this process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to change your dash speakers with confidence and like a pro. All right, here we go. Let's go over the tools we'll need. Plastic trim removal kit. I got mine on eBay. As you can see here, they come in different colors, different assortments, different sizes. Doesn't matter what you pick, it'll all get the job done. Speaker, wire, harness, adapter. I went with this one. It's by Metra. The model number is 72-7902. With this adapter, there is no need to cut and splice into the wires. Just plug and play. I got it on eBay, different sellers, different price points. Just go with the cheaper option. Socket wrench. Now, the bolt also has a Phillips head on it. You could use a Phillips bit on your socket wrench if you wanted to. I would not use a screwdriver due to the limited space that you have to work in. I used a 9/32 socket on my small socket wrench. I'm on Crutchfield. As you can see, my vehicle is a 2016 Jeep Cherokee. Crutchfield is a great website. If you are not sure how to go about replacing speakers or taking it a step further and adding subwoofers and components to your vehicle, come to Crutchfield. They have diagrams, they'll show you instructions, and the tools that you'll need to be able to do the job yourself. We're going to go to their car audio section. We're looking for car speakers, and the size of the dash speakers is 3.5 inches. We don't want to just buy any random set of speakers. We need to find out what's going to fit. Speakers come in different cutout diameters and different mounting depths. I'm just going to click on the random pair of speakers because we need to know the maximum mounting depth that we have to work with for the new speakers that we're going to install. Okay, we found it. The left column gives us a measurement. Size of the speaker, obviously, 3.5 inches. Ignore the middle column. We're focused on the right column where it says dash corner. The depth, 2.027 inches. Mounting height, 0.359 inches. And cutout diameter, 3.131 inches. So this is the measurements that we have to work with. These are the speakers that I'm going with from Down for Sound. The CFXT 3.5 inch speakers. Will they fit? Let's find out. So the mounting depth on these is 1.77 inches. We had 2.027 inches to work with. We're good there. Although the cutout diameter says 3.40 inches, but we have 3.131 inches to work with. I guess we'll find out when we go to install these speakers. The mounting depth is my main concern, and we're well within those parameters. Let's get into it. Here's our dash. You can see the speaker locations in each corner. We're going to take our plastic removal tools and remove the speaker grill. It comes off pretty easy. Don't force anything. We're going to take our socket wrench and loosen up these 2 bolts. Sorry for the train noise. There was a train going by. Got the speaker out. Now all we got to do is unclip the harness. Just push the tab in on the side and it should slide right out. Here's our Metra speaker wire harness adapter. It comes in a 2-pack, 1 for each speaker. We're going to take our Metra harness and connect it to the stock harness. No need to cut and splice like I said earlier. Literally, just plug and play. When connecting the speakers, black will always be negative. Before you put the speaker in, you might have to tuck the wires in and mess around with them. Make sure that your speaker fits properly, because the harness might get in the way. So just tuck it in. There should be a space for you to tuck it in. Like I said earlier, don't force anything. Just take your time. Now we're in the home stretch. We just got to screw the bolts back down, put the plastic speaker grill back on, and we're done. My speakers barely fit. They fit just enough. The speaker grill cover does stick up a little bit, but I'm not worried about that. And later on, if it does bug me, I can always make some modifications with my Dremel. And there you have it. We successfully changed the dash speakers in our 2014 to 2023 Jeep Cherokee. It was very simple, pretty straightforward. I hoped that you could see everything that I was trying to show you. I tried to be as specific and detailed as I could. Now, I only recorded myself doing the driver's side dash speaker. I didn't see a need to record the passenger side just because it's literally the same thing, but on the other side. So you just do the same thing that we did on the driver's side for the passenger side. It's as simple as that. I did go ahead and play some music to see if the speakers worked, and they work and sound phenomenal. I'm very happy with it. I did not show it in the video due to copyright reasons. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm a growing channel. I'm trying to get up there, so any support is greatly appreciated. I appreciate you watching this video, and if you like videos like this or anything else car audio related, go ahead and check out my other videos. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.